Hello, I would like to introduce you to AVANU's WebMux Network Traffic Manager. WebMux is an enterprise-class application delivery network load balancing solution. Its primary function has an important role in the network infrastructure, where it assures peak performance, high availability, and security of local traffic to and from the network's application back-end servers. The WebMux features are developed on the powerful 64-bit architecture platform using intensive algorithms, providing robust network load balancing to meet the most demanding requirements with reliable performance. AVANU offers scalable models available in both virtual software appliances for cloud computing environments and network hardware appliances for high-performing plug-and-run solutions. The purpose of this video is to show how quick and easy it is to set up and manage a WebMux on your network. Before getting started with your own setup, we recommend you have your network information available. There are sample configurations and worksheets available in Section 10 of the WebMux User Manual. There are 3 easy options to get the WebMux set up. The WebMux Network Hardware Appliance offers the quickest setup method for a high-performing plug-and-run load balancing deployment. Without needing access to a web browser, you can use the WebMux front LCD panel and keypad. After pushing the power button to turn on the WebMux, the LCD self-explanatory menu-driven instructions will step you through a basic setup so you can quickly deploy the WebMux onto your network. You can literally have the WebMux up and running on your network within minutes using this method. Whether you are using the WebMux virtual software or hardware appliance, another quick setup option using a web browser is with the WebMux configuration wizards for specific applications and services. For the purpose of this video, this demonstration will show the web browser graphical user interface, or GUI setup, and full configuration method. The WebMux GUI is designed for simplicity, making the WebMux fast and easy to deploy and manage. To get started, either the WebMux virtual software or hardware appliance must be available on your network. Launch your web browser and type in the IP address of your WebMux unit, followed by a colon, and 24 or 35, depending if you want to use port 24 for HTTP or port 35 for secured HTTPS access to the WebMux login screen. We are using port 35. This is the login screen of the WebMux Web GUI. There are 2 login levels, WebMux and Super User. The WebMux login level is a view-only access. You cannot make any setting changes. To have full administrative access, log in as Super User. The default password for Super User access is Super User. Once you have logged in, you will see the main screen and the menu on the left side. We recommend the first thing you do is go to the security section and change the WebMux and Super User passwords to something more secure. The next thing we recommend you to do is to go to the network section and configure the email setting for the WebMux to send email notifications to. Or you can specify an IP address of a remote syslog server if you wish to collect the WebMux messages to a remote syslog server. Another option is to monitor the WebMux via SNMP. You can change the port and community information found here. Now I will show you how to create a basic HTTP farm. The farm IP will be the IP address that clients will use to access the website. It is also known as the VIP or virtual IP in other products, but on the WebMux we call it the farm IP. To create a farm, go to the Farm Management section and click on Add Farm. For a basic HTTP farm, you will need to enter the label, the farm IP address, the listening port, the scheduling method. The WebMux supports a full range of load balancing scheduling methods. For the purpose of this demonstration, we will choose round robin, and then choose the service. If your real servers are using virtual host names for the sites, You will need to supply the virtual host name of the site in this field in order for the WebMux to perform the health checking on the correct site. The service field tells the WebMux what kind of health checking to perform. In this case, our real servers are running HTTP web servers, so we will select the HTTP service for this farm. We can now submit the farm configuration. Back on the main screen, you will now see the new farm that was added. Also, you will notice the message Unsaved In-Memory Configuration Changes. This is a safety measure in case you enter a configuration that locks you out of the machine. If that happens, you can easily restore the previous working configuration by rebooting the WebMux. So make sure you click on the Save link to save the configuration. Otherwise, a power loss or reboot will cause the unsaved configuration changes to be removed. Now we are ready to add real servers to the farm. Click on the radio button on the left of the farm, then click on the Add Server link in the menu. This is where you will enter the server's real IP address. Submit the form. You will now see the real server IP added to the farm. Repeat these steps to add more servers to the farm. You now have a farm listening on 192.168.14.100 on port 80 and load balancing using round-robin scheduling method to the real servers. The WebMux health check is detecting the servers as alive. If I remove one of these servers from the network, you will see that the WebMux will mark the server dead. This concludes the basic HTTP farm setup demonstration. The WebMux Network Traffic Manager also comes with very powerful security features, including denial of service and distributed denial of service protection through the automatic attack detection management and the flood control. WebMux also includes our Fire Edge for apps, a built-in web application firewall using the powerful features of mod security. These are some highlights of WebMux security features. We hope this introduction video demonstrates how fast and easy it is to set up and configure AVANU's WebMux Application Delivery Network Load Balancing solution. Full setup and configuration instructions can be found in the WebMux user manual. For any technical pre- or post-sale support, you can contact AVANU through the website, email, or by telephone. Thank you.